Hey guys, wagwan, it's Shango. Welcome to ETT, Everyday Tech Things. So this one's a little bit different. As you can see, it's more vlog style, and the reason for that is that Samsung S21 Ultra just launched in the Caribbean, and it's actually in Jamaica in Afro-Tree in their experience store. We are running at Kingston right now for kind of get a hands-on experience of the Samsung S21 Ultra. If you have been following the channel, you would have noticed that we did a virtual impression of it on the channel. I link it in the cards. So let's go and check it out. Yes, I'm on my way to Afro-Tree to get an hands-on, as I said earlier, of the S21 Ultra. I'm super excited to actually hold it in my hand. You know what I mean? Do some scrolling and see how that Snapdragon, you know, working in it. So let's go. It's about a 15 to 20 minutes drive from Portmore, where I live, to Kingston. So Tropical Plaza is just around the road and we are almost there. The traffic in Kingston is crazy. Watch your cars, traffic, man. This is the reason why I'm stay at Kingston. Rather for us staying at Portmore and go and build. Yes, so I'm in Afro-Tree now at Tropical Plaza. The Samsung store is right over there. Yes, so I'm basically gonna go into the Samsung store. I don't know if I can shoot in there. I'm gonna find out. But if I can't shoot in there, I'll still give you an idea of what the experience was with the S21 Ultra. So as you can see, I got to shoot in the store, but I was using my GoPro, which is not up to par as it relates to the 120 Hz screen. So that black line that you see going across the screen is because the screen Hz is so high and the camera wasn't able to capture the screen well. I wasn't able to use my DSLR, so these are the shots that I got in the store. Yeah, so just come out of the Samsung Experience Store located in Tropical Plaza in Afro-Tree, and I did the hands-on of the S21 Ultra. So that phone is crazy. Like, the phone is so snappy that 120 Hz. Like, I've never used a phone which works like that before. So having that experience is so different that when you scroll, it just a fly, literally. I know that the process have a lot to do with that, but the screen gives you a different type of experience. You hear me, man? That phone, it's very expensive, but it's an amazing phone. It's an amazing phone. Very expensive, but an amazing phone. And you know that is Samsung flagship phone. Flagship phone right now. So, yo, maybe one day I'll pick up one. Who knows? Or maybe Samsung will send me one day. Who knows? But it's a bad phone. It's a bad phone, and well, it's a good phone. In Jamaica, we say bad phone meaning good. You have to understand. But I really like it. As I said, the whole experience. It's different type of phone. The 100x zoom. I don't know about it because when I do the 100x zoom, it kind of is very shaky. But other than that, everything else, I would give it a. You know what I mean? The overall phone, I would say I give it more like an 80 to 90% based on the quality and how the screen is amazing. It's so sharp, and give me a second, man, the phone nice. The phone nice. Samsung, send me something.